Shopify Pod plugin recommendations and usage tutorial. How to upload Pod products to Shopify via Sunski ERP and enable Pod features. Yes, we recommend using SBS Custom Product Personalizer. Search for it in the Shopify App Store and install it. After installation, open and activate the app in Shopify Admin. Once activated, click Add Rule. Enter a rule name, for example, Input Pod, and then click Add Product under this rule to select products that support Pod. After adding products, you can customize text options such as length, color, and font generally. Selecting all options is recommended. Next, select clip art provided by the plugin. There are various categories, and it is recommended to select all. Then choose product colors. By default, it will follow product variant colors. After configuring these settings, click Save to save the rule. Then go back to manage the new rule, where you can modify the status, edit, or delete it. Click Personalization to manage assets. Under Clip Arts, you can manage categories, delete, or upload clip art images. Similarly, you can also manage fonts, colors, and background patterns. Click General Settings to adjust the pod design. Interface. Generally, selecting personalization on pop-up provides a better experience. Additionally, you can specify the design file format and modify the customized button style for pod-supported products. The plugin also offers customizable badges, helping your customers identify which products support pod. These are the main features of the plugin. Now, let's check the website. The product we just added now shows the customized button. On this interface, all our previous settings are applied. Customers can easily customize their designs here. This is the complete guide to enabling POD features on Shopify. For more information about Pod and Sunski ERP, please visit www.sunsky-online.com, erp.sunsky-online.com.